Hi, we're here with Mia Belle from Mia Belle Skin. A little background on her. She's been in Harper's Bazaar. She's also been some Allure magazine as well, correct? She's had some segments with Oprah and some other TV shows as well. And we're here specifically to talk to her about Thermiva. And what is Thermiva?
Thermiva is truly a revolutionary holistic treatment for women's health. It targets an array of different issues that women deal with, everything from a weak bladder to laxity to lubrication issues, chronic UTIs, yeast infections, BV. It deals also with exteriorly with major and minor labia and the clitoral hood to help with women who just architecturally are built a certain way where it's uncomfortable for them to even wear underwear, wear tight clothing, which leads to not only discomfort, sometimes to some health issues, or makes it so they can't enjoy some of the physical activities they like, such as riding horses or cycling. So it really does target many issues.
And this is pretty new technology, correct?
It's pretty new technology. There's only a few practitioners that have it in the state of California. I think it's been a little bit of a struggle for people to kind of get it out there and really educate people. I know a lot of people who have the unit are making it more into something a little funny about either sex or a vaginal facelift, but I really think that doesn't show enough respect to the woman or to their issues, because I really think that this really changes a lot of my patients' lifestyles, especially when you're talking about the bladder issues or the laxity issues. It's a really big game changer. Also with the lubrication, because a lot of my patients in the past had to take medications or be on hormone replacements and had negative side effects to those things.
Which is dryness, correct? It's one of the...
It's dryness, yeah.
Correct.
Yeah.
Now, I understood what you were saying when you were explaining what it does, but in layman's terms, what does it do?
So you used, I'll show you what I use. Hold on, I should have this in my hand. Okay. So it's completely non-invasive. And this is the handpiece that's used. They're all disposable. It's very small, it's very comfortable. The heat comes out of the tip here. And you insert this internally and use it externally to get the results that you want. So all it is that you get the tissue to a certain temperature and then your own body's natural healing mechanisms kick in. And so the tissue gets healthier, balanced, stronger, more vital. So it can be great for the bladder because it's almost creating a bladder mesh. It's creating a tighter interior, and then it's also tightening the outside, not only for aesthetics, but like I mentioned before, it also is helpful for certain health issues and discomfort a woman can encounter with certain types of architecture exteriorly.
And some of this could obviously take place during pregnancy, can have some of these repercussions where you might need to have a treatment like this.
Definitely. I mean, during pregnancy and vaginal bursts, you can have issues later with laxity. You can have issues later with the bladder. I have some patients that's hard even for some women to use tampons post-pregnancy because they just can't hold it in properly. So it definitely can be for some women a more traumatic experience with vaginal bursts.
Definitely. And how many treatments, how long are the treatments?
So the treatments are only about like 25 minutes long. You do 3 treatments in total, about 1 month apart. And then for upkeep, we're seeing that you need to do it about once every 12 to 18 months, one single treatment, about 12 to 18 months post.
Okay. And you're one of the few people currently doing it in LA area?
I am one of the few people, and I've been lucky enough to have quite a bit of patients and really see over the past 4 or 5 months a great improvement to their life. It's helped their lifestyle. I had some patients who had to stop at the gas station twice on the way to work. I've had other patients that weren't able to be on trampolines with their kids. Or I have other patients that are fitness and swimsuit models, and it was kind of affecting their profession also too, just about what they could wear fashion-wise. So it does also have a positive effect to sex life, because you're also going to have a little bit more of a tightness, and you're also going to have better sensation. So it helps to revitalize the tissue, including sensation and nerve endings.
And people can come in and do a free consultation with you?
Yeah, I definitely meet with people so they can feel comfortable and understand a little bit more about the treatment and to make sure that really that they're the right patient for the Thermiva.